Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 2nd subject Marigold. Textbook. Unit 5 Funny Bunny. In our last video we have discussed this story and some new words and some other exercise. So today we will start our work from page number 84. We have left this exercise here, so let's start. We will continue from it. Find the opposites of the given words and make sentences. That means here some words given, you have to find their opposite words and then you have to make sentence by using this opposite word. Let's see. First word is fate. So what is the opposite of fate? Yes, here thing. So we will write here thing. Now you have to make here sentence by using this word, means thin. So let's make she is very thin. When you make sentence, it should be come here thin word. Okay. Now next is fall. So fall means what is the opposite of fall? Yes, raise. So here now we have to make here sentence. The sun is rises from the east. So here I have used this word. Okay, now next word is start. So what is the opposite of start? Yes, end. Now you have to use this word end and you have to make the sentence. So here I am making this is the end of the road. You can make your own word or own sentence also. Now next one is come. So what is the opposite of come? Yes, go. So sentence is you should go to your home now. So I have used here go. You should go to your home now. Now last one is big. So what is the opposite of big? Small. Now sentence is there is a small fish in the fish bowl. So here there is a small fish in the fish bowl. Okay. Now again see fate. So what is the opposite of fate? Thin. She is very thin. Fall. Raise. The sun is rises from the east. Start. End. This is the end of the road. Come. Go. You should go to your home now. Big. Opposite. Small. There is a small fish in the fish bowl. Okay, now next activity is fill in the blanks with the correct word. So here blanks given and their option given. We have to fill this all these blanks with help of these words. Okay, so let's see. I read a funny bunny story of a funny rabbit. One day a nut fell or fall. Which word come? Fell. Fell on his head. He thought the sky dash is or was. Yes, this story is in past form. So we use here was because it is past form. So he went to the king On the way, he met different animals. All of them, which is the past form? Yes, join him. At last, they, which one? Yes, met is past form. Met a clever fox. It took them to a forest and ate them all up. Here you have to use all past form of the words because the this happened before and now someone saying this. So let's read again. I read a funny story of a funny rabbit. One day a nut fell on his head. He thought that the sky was falling. So he went to tell the king. On the way he met different animals. All of them joined him. At last they met a clever fox. It took them to the forest and ate them all up. Okay, now next activity. Rearrange these words to form sentences. Now here some word givens, we have to arrange it in proper order and we have to make a sentence. So let's read. On funny bunny fell a nut one day. So let's make sentence. One day a nut fell on funny bunny. Then next, falling down the sky is, said funny bunny. So sentence, funny bunny said the sky is falling down. Okay, third one. King, I must the tell. So sentence, I must tell the king. Then fourth one, lives here the king. So sentence, the king lives here. Okay, now next is change only one letter of each word and make another rhyming words. Here you have to change only one letter and you have to make one another rhyming words. Like here example given, fail. So here only first letter changed, T. So tail. So here you have to make same old down. So here changed G and D. So down, gown. Mate, bait. Way, day. Then king. Here ring. Shun, gun. Bait, fate. You can make another word also, okay? Okay, now next is look at the pictures, give the animals the right names. Here pictures given, some animals and birds, we have to write their names here, okay? Here given who am I. So let's see. First one, which is this picture. Yes, this is chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. Now this one, yes, it is hen. So here H-E-N, hen. This one, cock. C-O-C-K. Then this one, yes, fox. And this one, duck. Okay, now last is picture story. Look at the pictures, narrate the story in your language and then in English. So let's see this story. Once upon a time, in a jungle, there lived a furious tiger. One day, from behind the bushes, he saw three rabbits playing near a pond. He was hungry and planned to attack them. In the pond, there was an elephant taking bath merrily. He started playing with the rabbits. They saw tiger and got scared. One by one, all the rabbits climbed the elephant and reached the other side of the pond. The tiger roared at the elephant. The elephant filled his trunk with water and splashed it on the tiger with full force. The tiger fell down and ran far away. Okay, now today's all this work you have to do in your textbook. Okay, thank you.